Have you ever watched a cool video and thought, wow, how did they do that? That's the magic of video editing. It's like having superpowers for your videos. Video editing is everywhere these days. From YouTube to TikTok, Facebook to Instagram, people are sharing their stories through videos. And guess what? You can do it too. With video editing, you can turn simple clips into amazing stories. You can make your videos funny, exciting, or even dramatic. And the best part, it's easier than you think, especially with apps like CapCut. So are you ready to become a video editing master? Let's dive in. CapCut is a free video editing app that makes editing super easy and fun. It's like having a professional editing studio right in your pocket. Available on both Android and iOS, CapCut is perfect for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a pro. It's got all the tools you need to create awesome videos. With CapCut, you can trim and cut your videos, add cool transitions and filters, and even put in music and sound effects. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can try out advanced features like chroma key and keyframe animations. But don't worry, we'll get to those later. First, let's start with the basics. Let's start with the building blocks of video editing, trimming and cutting. Imagine you recorded a cool video, but there are a few awkward moments you want to remove. That's where trimming comes in. With CapCut, you can easily trim the beginning or end of your video to get rid of any unwanted parts. Cutting is similar, but lets you remove a section from the middle of your video. Think of it like using scissors to cut out the boring parts and keep only the good stuff. Next up, transitions. Transitions help you smoothly connect different parts of your video. CapCut has tons of transitions like fades, wipes, and spins. They add that extra flair and make your videos look super professional. Ready to make your videos even more awesome? CapCut has a bunch of cool tools that let you add your own personal touch. Filters are like Instagram for your videos. They can change the look and feel of your footage instantly. Want to make your video look vintage, cinematic, or maybe add a splash of color? Filters are here to help. Sound effects can make your videos more engaging and fun. CapCut has a library of sound effects, or you can import your own. Add a whoosh, a bang, or even a laugh track to make your videos pop. And of course, no video is complete without music. CapCut lets you easily add music to your videos. You can choose from their library, or import your favorite tunes. Just make sure you have the rights to use the music. Section 5, CapCut and TikTok. A perfect match. If you love TikTok, you'll love CapCut even more. CapCut is made by the same company as TikTok, so they work perfectly together. You can edit your TikTok videos directly in CapCut and then easily share them on your profile. Plus, CapCut has tons of TikTok-specific features and effects. Want to use a trending sound or try out a viral TikTok challenge? CapCut has got you covered. You can find all the latest trends and tools right inside the app. With CapCut and TikTok, the possibilities for creativity are endless. Make funny skits, cool dance videos, or even share your thoughts and ideas with the world. Section 6. Unleash your inner director with chroma key. Now let's talk about some of CapCut's more advanced features, starting with chroma key. Ever wondered how they film those weather reports with the presenter standing in front of a map? That's chroma key. Chroma key, also known as green screen, lets you replace the background of your video with anything you want. Imagine being in Paris, on the moon, or even in your favorite video game. With CapCut's chroma key feature, you can easily remove the background of your video and replace it with a different image or video. Just make sure you film in front of a solid color background like green or blue. Section 7. Keyframes and speed edits, your secret weapons. Keyframes and speed adjustments are like secret weapons for video editors. They give you even more control over your videos and let you create some really cool effects. Keyframes let you animate different aspects of your video, like the position, size, or rotation of an object. Imagine making text fly across the screen or a photo smoothly zoom in. That's the power of keyframes. Speed adjustments let you control the speed of your video. You can make your video faster for a time-lapse effect or slow it down for a dramatic slow-motion shot. You can even combine different speeds within the same video. Section 8, CapCut. It's free and easy to use. One of the best things about CapCut is that it's completely free to use. You don't need to pay any subscription fees or unlock features. Everything you need to create amazing videos is right there at your fingertips. And even though it's packed with features, CapCut is surprisingly easy to use. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for beginners to jump right in. Plus, there are tons of tutorials and resources available online to help you learn the ropes. You'll be a CapCut pro in no time.
Section 9. Ready, set, create with CapCut. So what are you waiting for? Download CapCut today and unleash your creativity. Whether you're a budding filmmaker, a social media enthusiast, or just want to have some fun with your videos, CapCut is the perfect tool for you. Remember, the best way to learn is to just dive in and start experimenting. Don't be afraid to try new things and make mistakes. That's how you learn and improve. And who knows, you might just create the next viral video sensation.